Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today we're gonna cook a traditional Iranian dish that is usually served at the longest night of the year. But first, don't forget to subscribe us and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos. The ingredients are fresh cilantro, an onion, saffron, pistachio slices, butter, raisin, almond slices, cilantro seeds, chicken breasts, and pomegranate. First, grind the coriander in a mortar until completely soft. Peel an onion and slice it. Then, cut the chicken breasts into slices or pieces. Put a pan on the stove and add the oil. Then add a sliced onion and saute until it looks like this. Then add the chicken. Stir gently until the chicken breast is white. Meanwhile, wash and soak 2 cups of rice in water with some salt and leave it aside. After the color of the breast changes, add the seasoning, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. Stir until they mix well. Now put another pan on the stove and add half of the butter and a little oil in it. When butter melts, add raisin, pistachio slices, almond slices, and our beautiful pomegranate seeds. Stir until they mix well and saute until the color of raisins change a little, not too much. If the pomegranate is too sour, you can add some sugar to it. This is optional. It's time to add the aroma of the food, the ground coriander, which is the most important part of the dish. Now, boil the rice with water until it's a little soft. Then drain it. Now, put a pot on fire, add some oil, and you can put sliced potatoes at the bottom of the pot. This is the typical part of cooking Iranian rice. It's called tahdig. That means the bottom of the pot. Put a layer of the drained rice in the pot and then a layer of chicken and other ingredients. Do it for all of the prepared ingredients. Chop the fresh cilantro finely and add it in between the layers too. Put some butter on top of the rice and half a cup of water. Make some holes into the rice and then put the lid and wait for 30 to 40 minutes till the rice is cooked. While the rice is being cooked, boil half a cup of water and add the ground saffron to it and leave it until the saffron is brewed. Before serving, put some of the rice in brewed saffron to garnish the dish. You can also add some of the saffron to the whole rice to give a nice color to it. Dinner is served. Beautiful and delicious. You can garnish this dish with the potatoes that you put at the bottom of the pot and some of the rice mixed with saffron and the ingredients containing the chicken breast, pomegranate, pistachio, and almond and raisins. Bon appetit! This was our delicious recipe for the longest night of the year. I hope you cook it and enjoy it. Please follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. Till another delicious recipe. Bye.